In today's digital era, presenting every event in a professional and impactful way is extremely important. Whether it is a school annual function, college seminar, corporate webinar, sports competition, online contest, training program, or cultural event, managing invitations, registrations, and certificates can be a major responsibility. CertWala.com provides a complete, simple, and reliable solution for all these needs. CertWala.com is a modern digital platform where you can promote your events, collect online registrations, create personalized certificates, and send them instantly via email and WhatsApp, all in just one click. One of the biggest advantages of CertWala is its collection of more than 25,000 ready-made templates. You can choose from a wide range of certificate designs, invitation cards, and greeting cards. With multiple categories, themes, colors, and layouts, you will always find the perfect design for every occasion. Let's talk about event promotion and registration. You can create sports events, competitions, webinars, seminars, workshops, or any type of program. Simply add the event name, date, time, venue, description, and poster. An instant registration link is generated. Share the link and participants can register directly. All participant details are securely stored in your dashboard, and you can view or download the list anytime. Now comes the most popular feature, certificate creation. Select a design, upload participant data, and the system automatically generates personalized certificates with each participant's name. With just one click, send all certificates instantly through email and WhatsApp. This saves time, reduces manual effort, and ensures professional results. You can also create digital invitation cards for weddings, birthdays, engagement ceremonies, inaugurations, annual functions, or corporate meetings. Greeting cards can be personalized for festivals like Diwali, Holi, New Year, Republic Day, Independence Day, Teachers' Day, Women's Day, birthdays, and anniversaries. The biggest advantage is instant delivery. The moment you send it, the recipient receives it immediately on email and WhatsApp. Security is a top priority. Your data remains safe and protected. Pricing is affordable and transparent. You can visit the subscription page to check available plans and charges, and special discounts are offered from time to time. Even without offers, the pricing remains highly competitive. There is also a download-only option. You can download personalized certificates or cards and send them using your own email ID or WhatsApp number. Getting started is simple. Register on the website, log in, complete your profile, choose a subscription plan, create your event, share the registration link, design certificates, and send them, all in just a few easy steps. CertWala.com is not just a certificate generator. It is a complete digital event management and delivery solution. If you want your events to be organized, attractive, and digitally advanced, CertWala.com can be your trusted long-term digital partner. Start today and take every event to the next digital level.